welcome back to Motorhead UK. Today we're going to attempt to fix the Suzuki Vitara from ever breaking down again. We have diagnosed the issue, we think, of a few faulty wires, and it broke down how many times the other day, Zane? Four times it broke down, and we recovered it 4 times. We were playing around in the bonnet and we were trying to figure out what it was. There was a few wires that were a bit faulty and loose, so we gave them a little push around and play around, and it kept trying to start. So we're guessing that it's going to be one of those sections of wires. So what we're going to do is we're going to try repairing the wires by soldering it, and hopefully Zane doesn't kill us while this, because it's a rear-wheel drive at the moment because he hasn't got it in four-wheel drive, and I don't know if I want to topple over today, but you know. No. Can you behave with your cars? Like, he really does love to brag these things. I don't know why. There's me like scared shitless because let's be honest, it's not even got a roof. It's a roll bar. Well, a rusty bar. But yeah, hopefully we can get this all sorted for you. There's a massive hole that Zane might drive over. No, you missed it. Good. But anyway, right. Stay tuned and hopefully we make it to mine. Right, so we just got to get the clips out.
There's one there, there's one on each side. So
yeah.
Yeah.
And we just got to, basically the clip's broken, so there's no leverage, so you can't pull it out. No. So Zane's, what he's going to do is just pull the clips out. Go on, pull. There you go. And that was easy as that, but the inside of it actually looks okay, so we're going to reuse this. I'm just going to cut the wires here and then try re-putting them back in. So hopefully it goes okay.